Hi, I'm Nancy Valentine Smith, and I am a medicine woman of the earth and of the stars. I have been speaking about the sacral energy center and also the base energy center for a while now. And the reason why is because these energy centers, the lower energy centers, which includes the solar plexus, are the key energy centers of these times. Everything that we are going through in our own being and also on the earth is connected to these energy centers within us and also on Mother Earth. Right now, we are going through an aspect of these energy centers, in particular, the sacral, and what I've seen lately, the base coming in again on a certain level, which I'll explain. So the sacral and the base is now moving into really uprooting, shifting foundations of a patriarch, very structured consciousness, which is an old consciousness within us. Now, this energy is directly connected and linked to the survival programs. This is being uprooted and being dislodged from our being. At this time, with this dislodgement occurring, this is activating certain shifts that is linked to these energy centers. So with the sacral, some of the links is to our heart energy realm and also our throat energy center. So at the moment, there are activations or triggerings that are occurring to clear those pathways. Also, there is another level of the base energy center clearing occurring. And this has to do also with the second or the two-dimensional realities, which is connected to Mother Earth. So this aspect can cause within us reactions or symptoms affecting our skin, affecting our senses, because that 2D consciousness is connected to the ecosystem of the earth. There is a lot going on now in nature. For these energy centers of Mother Earth are now dislodging, uprooting the old consciousness, especially connected to the patriarch structures that were built upon Mother Earth. And I'm talking about this more from a consciousness. So we are going to, at times, see and witness and feel these shifts occurring on Earth through nature. For there is a lot of uprooting and dislodging of these old consciousness, of the old ages that have been on this earth. Now, those old ages has a historical timeline to them. And so nature will come in to clear those structures, those consciousness, those old pillars of a way of being. We have been moving out an old way of being from our sacral energy center, we've been dismantling, we've been decluttering, and this is still going on. And as this occurs, we are creating space, we are creating revelations from this sacral energy center. Now, this energy center has a powerful key to open up the pathways to the Divine Mother, to the way of the heart, to the way to the returning and the remembering of the Divine Mother. So as we're clearing and shifting certain energies, dismantling certain pillars of an old consciousness, we are creating more expanse, more clarity, and there will be revelations coming through these energy centers, and they will start feeling like inspiration, feeling like lightness, feeling like the elixir. It's like an elixir of creativity. And creativity, and what I mean by creativity, is the energy that inspires and activates a more grounded, a more centering of trust, of the sense and the ability to start feeling, to start seeing beyond the survival programs. So this is connected to the sacral energy center. Because this is going on, the part in our base energy center that is strongly rooted in the foundations of survival is really ramped up at the moment. And that is because it is in the process of bringing to the forefront the structures of the patriarch we hold in our being. So these energy centers, the base, the sacral in particular at the moment, but also the solar plexus, are in their process of ascension, of enlightenment. As we are going through this, as I've said, there is more expanse that is occurring within these energy centers. So there are going to be many times where we are going to feel that light, liquid light consciousness. And as this occurs, the base energy center is also creating liquid light structures, because this time is also, there are new structures, new liquid light pillars coming up through our being and on earth. And these structures are there to assist us ground and move into these new embodiments, these new consciousness. And this occurs first in those lower energy centers of the base, sacral, and solar plexus. They do have their links to the middle and upper energy centers, which is being activated at this time. So the sacral in particular is opening the realms of the heart and also starting the process of clearing the pathways and the waterways of the throat energy center. This is occurring because, for example, the sacral, the heart, and the throat are moving into collaboration. And when these three energy centers start working together, they create a vessel, a very powerful vessel for you to start bringing through, start channeling through your authentic source light here in this physical reality. And this is the process of grounding your soul, your higher self, your divine being here on the earth reality in your physical embodiment. So there's this whole process to our ascension, to our remembering. That is what we are in these times of great change.